Hello, what's up, guys? Today we are going on a trek and we are planning to visit the forests and gardens of Kobe, Japan. It is now around 4 in the afternoon and we have been informed that the place we are going to will be open till 5 p.m. only. And we have come here on vacation to see the breathtaking view of this lush green forest with a hint of spring season. Perhaps because we were late, people were surprised to see us, but we were going at our own pace. After reaching the top of the hill, the view of Kobe city gives a different pleasure. I realized that we were late, so we took our time and kept taking pictures of different places and of ourselves. After walking for more than half an hour, we finally reached our destination. But when we reached there, almost everything was closed and people were returning home. so we didn't decide to go inside. We stayed few minutes there to eat our meal. After taking pictures and having food, we decided to go back from there. And we slowly started going down. Since the ways of going off and coming back are different, we are going down this way now. Although it looks as easy as it looks in the video, but walking on this path was quite difficult. And after going down for about 10 minutes, we reached the dam. This dam is very deep and big and beautiful.
I know that you've been gone, you and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong. After the blood ran out, don't wanna know one else. That's what I used to know. Reset my life after you go. And the wind blows like you had me so cold. Oh, oh, how did you know? Since you left now, I'm starting to cry.
Sitting here, watching this spectacular view of the forest, the melodious sound of this lake made us forget all our tiredness. There were some Vietnamese friends too, and they were also taking pictures. After spending some time there, we decided to leave that place and started walking slowly from there. On going down, There we could see a view of beautiful waterfalls. And after coming to this waterfall, we also saw some other friends there. They were also talking among themselves and taking pictures of the natural scenery. After spending some time there, we decided to go back home. It was almost evening and we slowly made our way back home. And that was the end of our short excursion. I want to thank all of the beautiful people who were watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.